Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Alienware 34 curved gaming monitor represents a significant evolution in desktop display technology by integrating quantum dot layers with organic light-emitting diodes. This hybrid approach aims to capture the deep contrast levels associated with traditional OLED panels while simultaneously enhancing peak brightness and color volume through quantum dot enhancements. At 34.18 inches, the screen provides a substantial amount of digital real estate that fills the primary field of view without becoming overwhelming on a standard desk setup. The choice of a wide quad high-definition resolution of 3440 by 1440 results in a pixel density that balances visual clarity with manageable graphical demands on modern computing hardware. This monitor operates on a 21 by 9 aspect ratio, which expands the horizontal viewing area well beyond that of a conventional widescreen display. This wider canvas is central to the design philosophy of the unit, providing more room for peripheral vision in interactive environments and more space for side-by-side windows in professional applications. By moving away from standard backlighting systems, this technology ensures that every individual pixel acts as its own light source, which fundamentally changes how light and shadow are rendered on the screen. The external construction of the device follows a sophisticated design language characterized by clean lines and a futuristic aesthetic that manages to feel both premium and functional. The chassis is finished in a color palette that blends light and dark tones, providing a look that deviates from more aggressive gaming designs found elsewhere in the market. On the rear, the display features an integrated cable management system that helps maintain a clean workspace by routing wires through the center of the stand. The stand itself is robust and engineered for stability, offering a range of physical adjustments including height, tilt, and swivel. This flexibility ensures that the curved panel can be positioned at the ideal ergonomic height to reduce physical strain over long periods of use. The 1800R curvature is a critical design choice as it maintains a consistent distance between the eyes and every point on the screen. This gentle arc minimizes the need for ocular refocusing as the gaze shifts from the center to the edges, which can lead to a more comfortable viewing experience. Integrated lighting elements provide a subtle glow that can be customized to match the surrounding environment, although the primary focus remains on the structural integrity and the premium feel of the materials used. The ventilation system is discreetly integrated into the top and rear panels to manage the heat generated by the power supply and the internal processing hardware without necessitating loud active cooling solutions that might distract from the audio experience. Performance is defined by the unique technical characteristics of the QD-OLED panel, which manages to deliver an impressive 1:1 contrast ratio. Because each pixel produces its own light, the blacks can be turned off completely, resulting in true black levels that are impossible to achieve on standard liquid crystal displays with traditional backlighting. This capability is paired with an expansive color gamut covering 99.3% of the DCI-P3 color space and reaching roughly 149% of the sRGB spectrum. These figures indicate a highly saturated and accurate color palette that can reproduce subtle gradations in light and shadow with extreme precision. The speed of the panel is equally noteworthy, featuring a gray-to-gray response time of 0.1 milliseconds. This near-instantaneous transition eliminates ghosting and motion blur during fast-paced sequences, ensuring that moving objects remain sharp and defined regardless of how much action is happening on the screen. The refresh rate of 165 Hz provides a fluid visual experience that remains consistent even in highly demanding scenarios. For synchronization, the monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and is VESA AdaptiveSync display certified. These technologies work together to align the monitor's refresh rate with the output of the graphics processor, preventing screen tearing and stuttering during variable frame rates. In high dynamic range content, the display reaches a true Black 400 certification, which guarantees a high level of detail in the darkest parts of an image while still allowing for bright specular highlights to stand out. The 10-bit color depth allows for over 1 billion distinct colors, reducing banding in gradients and ensuring a smooth transition between different shades of color, which is vital for maintaining visual immersion. This monitor is primarily engineered for those who prioritize visual fidelity and responsiveness in their digital experiences. For enthusiasts of immersive simulations and expansive digital worlds, the 21:9 aspect ratio and the curved panel create a sense of depth and peripheral involvement that standard 16:9 screens cannot replicate. The high color accuracy and broad gamut coverage also make it a viable tool for creative professionals who work with digital media or color grading, where the precise reproduction of the DCI-P3 gamut is a fundamental requirement. Beyond the entertainment and creative sectors, the ultrawide format is highly beneficial for those who engage in complex multitasking or data-heavy work. Having the equivalent of nearly two smaller monitors combined into a single seamless panel allows for more efficient workflows when managing multiple documents or high-density spreadsheets. The inclusion of low blue light technology and a flicker-free display also caters to those who spend extended hours in front of a screen, as these features are designed to reduce eye fatigue during long sessions. It serves as a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to combine the best available panel technology with a form factor that maximizes both screen space and visual impact in a single desktop footprint. The 1800R curve is specifically helpful for people who sit at a standard desk depth because it wraps the edges of the display into the natural curve of human vision without requiring the viewer to constantly turn their head from side to see the entire desktop. At a price point of approximately $649 at the time of writing, this monitor occupies a space at the intersection of high-end specifications and accessible premium hardware. It offers a combination of speed and image quality that was previously difficult to find in a single package without making significant compromises. While the curved ultrawide format requires a certain amount of desk space, the benefits in terms of immersion and workspace efficiency are significant. The shift toward QD-OLED technology represents a meaningful step forward in how digital content is rendered, offering a level of contrast and color vibrancy that sets a high bar for contemporary displays. It remains a specialized piece of equipment, but one that addresses the diverse needs of modern desktop users through a focus on engineering excellence and visual precision. The balance between the high refresh rate and the color depth ensures that the hardware remains relevant as software and graphical demands continue to evolve. This hardware provides a glimpse into the future of display technology, where the traditional trade-offs between speed and beauty are largely eliminated. While the glossy finish of the panel is designed to maximize the clarity and punch of the colors, it also requires a bit of thought regarding room lighting to avoid reflections. However, for most environments, the sheer quality of the light-emitting diodes overcomes these minor considerations. Ultimately, the decision to invest in such a display comes down to a desire for the most accurate and responsive visual presentation available in the current market. The Alienware 34 curved monitor stands as a testament to the progress made in panel manufacturing, delivering a cohesive experience that bridges the gap between high-stakes gaming and professional-grade color work. It is a refined tool that respects the needs of the viewer, providing clarity, speed, and depth in a way that few other technologies can currently match. As the industry moves toward more sophisticated display standards, this unit serves as a benchmark for what is possible when advanced materials and thoughtful design are applied to the modern desktop environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.